Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making brown sugar salmon. This recipe includes Dijon mustard, butter, chili powder, black pepper, onion powder, light brown sugar, garlic powder, 1 lemon, paprika, and pink salt. It's very important to remove as many bones as possible from the salmon. I prefer no bones when it comes to eating fish or any meat. What I do when I want to remove bones from the fish is basically go up to it, move my hand around the fish until I feel the bones, and examine it. When I eat my fish, there is no way I'm gonna have to spit out any bones. But every year, my cousins in Alaska deliver fish to us, and I would love to give a big thank you to my cousins for the salmon we got delivered. Whenever I have salmon, I already know I'm gonna be eating like a king, especially on a Friday night, and I call it Fish Friday. This is optional, but I'm going to remove the skin from the fish. One trick you can do if you want the skin to come off the fish faster is to put it in ice water for a while and you'll be able to remove the skin without any problem. Now, let's grab a bowl and add in half a cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and mix them all together. Once you mixed up all the seasonings together, it's time to cut the salmon into chunks so the rest of my family can have some too. Now it's time to season the salmon by rubbing the dry seasoning mixture all over the salmon pieces, making sure to coat them evenly. Now that our salmon is covered in sazon, let's karate chop our lemon and then drizzle the lemon juice over the seasoned salmon. Now melt 57 grams of butter and then drizzle that on top of the seasoned salmon. And our final step is to drizzle some of that Dijon mustard over the salmon and coat each piece with it. It's time to get a cast iron pan and coat it with olive oil and turn on the stove to medium-high heat. Place each piece of salmon on the pan and then let them cook for about 4 minutes. Now flip them over and let them cook for another 4 minutes. And the internal temperature for cooked salmon is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your salmon pieces are done, place each of them on a plate and let them rest for about 5 minutes so the juices and flavors can settle. Also, if you're wondering how to say brown sugar salmon in Spanish, it's Salmon azúcar moreno. Alright, I got my salmon on a plate with a side of roasted potatoes. I'm gonna try it now and I won't cap. This brown sugar salmon has a delightful balance of sweet and savory flavors. It's tender, juicy, and has a slightly crispy exterior that makes each bite incredibly satisfying. The only thing about this dish is that I can't even taste the Dijon mustard, but I guess that just makes it the secret ingredient. If I hadn't mentioned Dijon mustard, no one would have ever known I put this in this dish. This is definitely a recipe that every fish lover should try. It even goes very well with the roasted potatoes. Huele a pescado. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.